Come closer. Let me show you the finger multiplication trick for numbers 6, 7, and 8. All you need to do is to label your fingers. You don't have to write the numbers like I did. Just have it in mind that this is number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. And also on the other side, this is number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Note that the pinky fingers are number 6, the ring fingers are number 7, the middle fingers are number 8, the index fingers are number 9, and the thumbs are number 10. So when you want to multiply any number between 6 and 10, actually this trick only works for numbers between 6 and 10. So when you want to multiply any two numbers, let's say you want to multiply 7 by 8, that's 7 times 8. All you have to do is pick 7 on your left hand side and then pick 8 on your right hand side, then put them together. Now from here, now this is 7 obviously, so from here this is 6, 7, 8, this is 8, so this is 7 here and this is 8 here. Put them together and then put these ones together like this, so that you will have something like this left. You have 3 left here, you have 2 left here. So this is 8, this is 7 on your left hand side, 8 on your right hand side. Put them together, put 7, 8, put them together like this, so that you have 3 left here and then you have 2 left here. Those fingers that you put together, they will serve as tens for your answer. Now that we have 5 fingers put together, that means we'll be having 5 tens. That's 50, right? Yes, 5 tens is 50. Now the remaining fingers on both hands, you now multiply them. How many fingers do we have left on the left hand side? We have 3. How many fingers do we have left on the right hand side? We have 2. You now say 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is what? 6. And don't forget that we said this is our tens. So we have 5 here. That gives 5 tens. That's 50. What do we have here now? 3 times 6, that's 3 times 2, that's 6. You now add the 50 to 6. That's 56. So 7 times 8 is 56. Let's try it again. Do you need personalized help? Click the link in the description to message me directly. Let's try 6 times 7. This is 6 and this is 7. Place 6 and 7 together. How many fingers do we have together? All together, that's 3 fingers. That would give 30 for the tens. Now, how many fingers do we have left here? We have 4. How many fingers do we have left here? We have 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Then, what did we have for the tens? We have 30. 30 plus 12, that's 42. That means 6 times 7 equals 42. Try this trick and let me know if it works in the comments. Now, let's multiply 8 times 9. Let's say 8 times 9. On your left hand, identify number 8. This is 8. This is 8 because we have 6, 7, 8. So this will be 8. On your right hand, identify 9. This will be 9 because we have 6, 7, 8, 9. So place 8 here and 9. Place them together. This is 8. This is 9. Place them together. That makes how many fingers all together? That makes 7 fingers, right? That makes 7 fingers. That serves as the tens for our answer. 7 tens. That would be 70, right? That would be 70. So how many fingers do we have left here? We have 2. How many fingers do we have left here? We have 1. 2 times 1 is 2. So 7 tens, and then this is the unit 2. So 7 tens plus 2 units. That's it for today. If you learned something new, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and drop your answers or thoughts in the comments. Remember, math gets easier the more you see it and say it. See you in the next video.